All right, so what do you eat after a fast? All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. For those of you guys that are new, I am an American Ninja Warrior. I was on season 8 and season 9, and I did very well as a rookie, and then I got very sick, and after having some health issues, I changed my lifestyle, my eating habits, and reduced my stress, and I'm feeling much better. And I will show you guys basically how I recovered, and hopefully it'll help inspire you guys. So anyways, going back to the topic, what should you eat after a fast? And there's actually a couple things I want to talk to you guys about. Well, first, let's go over what should you eat after a fast. And I think you guys should eat lean meat with tons of veggies. I mean, if you did the bone broth fast that I recommended, you have meat that's in the crock pot for 24 hours, and then at the end of 24 hours you remove the meat. Well, when you remove that meat, if you're doing chicken bone broth, you can eat that chicken, okay? You can eat that chicken for the remainder of the week. Just remove the skin, right? The skin is very fattening. You don't want to have any of the skin on your chicken. Just lean meat and tons of veggies. And when I say veggies, try to stay away from starchy carbs for at least 3 weeks or a month. Starchy carbs, unless you're doing like you want to go back to the gym and you're lifting heavy weights, then you can have some starchy carbs. But I think if you're planning on losing weight, I would remove starchy carbs from your diet and just have lean meat. Another thing you want to do is stay away from processed foods, like no fast food, but also stay away from sugar. So no soda, no candy bars, none of that bad stuff, okay guys? No sugar, no juice. Just drink water, maybe some tea, green tea, or even a little bit of black tea, depending on your tolerance for, with caffeine in your system. I'm really sensitive to caffeine, so I try to limit my caffeine. You can have coffee. Just try to do, if you really need some cream in your coffee, guys, because I like cream in my coffee, just a little bit. Or maybe just a tiny bit, and add some stevia to it or something like that. But just a little bit. But that's it. For the rest of the day, stay away from, sugar. Also, no bread. Stay away from bread. And if you have to, go on YouTube and research like keto recipes and have lots of fats and lots of protein in your diet. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about that I think is very important, that I think you should consider doing before doing a bone broth fast or any type of fasting. This is what I think you should do, because I think it's very important. Before I talk to you guys about that, if you don't mind, hit that like button on this video, and don't forget to subscribe, so that way when I make more videos, you guys will get notified. And hit that notification bell. I want more likes on this video, and I want to try to help inspire more people. All right, back to what I was talking about. So what I think you guys should do before doing a bone broth fast, if possible, reach out to a homeopathic doctor or a functional medicine doctor. Like I found one here in Las Vegas. There was a facility called Valhalla Wellness Center, and they have provided me tools that have changed my life. And the one thing that they recommended me do before I even did the fast was to do a food allergy test. So I suggest, guys, doing a food allergy test so you know what your body is sensitive to. What if after your fast and you start eating, you start eating certain foods, and then you don't realize that your body's sensitive to it. So next thing you know, your symptoms are coming back. You're putting inflammation. You're increasing the inflammation in your body. So find out what you're sensitive to. Like I did my food allergy test, and I'm sensitive to onions and garlic, which sucks because it's in everything. I'm sensitive to watermelons, and I'm highly sensitive to egg yolks and egg whites. So I try to stay away from eggs. I stay away from eggs. I haven't had eggs in the last 2 years. So, but I've also have put in the right supplements into my gut to where I can have some of these foods that gives me the sensitivity, that gives me, you know, a little bit of allergies. But because I've put in a lot of probiotics into my gut, I can filter through the toxins easily. I can filter it through my body easily. So the thing is, you want to detox your body. You want to eat clean. You want to have the right supplements, and we can talk about the type of supplements that I take in another video, because I have like a detox phase, I have a kidney and liver repair phase, and I have these different, like, brain phase. I have these different supplement package that was provided to me by my functional medicine doctor that they suggest I do after doing a fast. You want to load your body full of probiotics, so that way when you eat bad food, you can filter it through your body. So those are just a few things that I think you should do after your bone broth fast, or after your fast, is to eat clean meat, stay away from sugar, and do a food allergy test, and just learn more about your body, right? No sensitivity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.